Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, December 2nd, 2010 am. The human body suffers from all kind of diseases. Vibratory disequilibrium is to blame for most of them. It can stem from a multiplicity of factors: weakness of constitution, predisposing man to these disorders, planetary influences, various types of pollution, and geomagnetic disturbances justify these internal turbulences. As a result, the psyche can be affected without being considered as responsible, as it too often is. It is the easy way out. One dwells on the indication and not on the real cause without really being able to identify it. The interpretation which is made is generally incorrect, and inappropriate treatment sometimes accentuate the problems rather than solving them. Official medicine will have to open up to a research which is not used to. It will have to reconsider the man in his vibratory environment, which depends entirely on the surrounding magnetic fields capable of disorganizing the cellular environment. It is an approach which is to be completely re-examined, an area which currently is badly explored and which will lead in the future to large waves of research. Babuji. Same day at 10:30 am. The human will more and more suffer from those kinds of disorders accentuated by the disequilibrium of the ambient vibratory fields. Minds will have to open up to this reality and work in their own sphere so that that aspect of the things is no longer ignored. Unexplained diseases beset the human being and the phenomenon will worsen in the future. After many researches and erroneous interpretations, a true solution will be found to those problems which are currently badly worked out by science. Babuji. Same day at 2:30 p.m. To my dear son, God is great. The human nature is weak-faced with adversity. No one escapes it. You have immense responsibilities and you are subject to all turbulences that rage down here. You don't have anything to worry about as regards our appreciation, which is all in your honor. What more can we request from the one who is working on our behalf with all his strength and with so much love for his masters? Be in peace, my son. We are far from being reproachful at you, so it is. We know the least of your worries. What would we have done in your place? Would we have had the caliber that is yours to solve all the problems which you must face? We are not sure of that. You are the right man of situation, believe us. You cannot solve everything. You don't need to feel guilty. We would not have performed better. We understand your weariness as we also experienced it. We admire your capacity for reasoning, deciding and surmounting what appears insurmountable. Don't worry, my son. Let your mind be at rest. You have all our approval and moreover all our love. Babuji.